Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Q11 Smartwatch. On our last video for the smart feature of this wearable, we have a demo for the smart notifications. On this video, we are going to have a demo for the Bluetooth call support. So we will check the call history, the phone book, as well as the dial pad. Let's see if it will work with our phone. Again, if you are interested to see the Bluetooth call feature of the Q11 in action, watch this video. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the Bluetooth call support of our Q11 smartwatch. Here in the smartwatch, we do have some menus here for the Bluetooth call. So we have the call history, we have the contacts, and we have the dial pad. So let's see. Let's check first the settings for the Bluetooth call. So we will go with the Access with app. So we have here the device. So Q11. So we are connected. We have the dial here. We have the step goal, and we have the phone book. So let's go with the phone book. Let's add the number, import. So let's add these numbers. So okay, then synchronize. Let's see if this will switch to synchronization mode. And as you can see here, it is now synchronizing the number or the numbers. Let's see. We have the Q11 here, and let's check the dial. We have the contacts, and we have here the contact number. Alright, so seems like everything is set for our Q11 smartwatch. So let's start and have a demo of the Bluetooth call support. Alright, so we have here our other smartphone. So let's dial or call the number where the smartwatch is connected. So it is Cindy. So let's try to call Cindy here. Similar to H11, we are going to have a demo of the Bluetooth call, the dial pad, the phone book, and the call history. And as you can see here, we do have the number and call. Okay, so as you can see or as you can hear, we can feel the vibration of the smartwatch, but we don't hear any beeping sound, just a vibration. Let's see if there's a setting for the Bluetooth call here. Time setting, sound, we have here call sound. Let's increase. Then we remove the shock. Again, let's see if we will hear the call. So let's dial Cindy again. And we have here the smartwatch. Okay, can you hear the ringing sound? Okay. Deny the call. So you can answer or deny the call here on the smartwatch. Okay. Next, we'll try the phone book. So go to the dial, we have the contacts here, and let's call Sam. Tap on the number here. Hopefully we can receive it here. We expect to receive a call here on our smartphone. And as you can see here, Cindy is calling and call. Okay, so it works for our Q11 when it comes to the phone book support. Next, let's have the dial pad. Again, we will call again Sam or Cindy. We have here the number 0907 606 4970. So this is the number. Okay, then let's try to call. Let's see if this will work. It's now calling. Okay, it's not working again. Maybe we dialed the wrong number. Contacts. Okay, it should be Sam. It's not Cindy. My mistake. 969 61 5 8 3 9 and 9. I guess it's correct now. It's now calling. Zero 969 61 58399. Let's wait for it. And it's now calling. So someone's calling here, as you can see. So the dial pad works for our Q11 smartwatch. Next, let's see the call history. So we have here the call history for the smartwatch. So very good so far. We have call logs, we have contacts, and we have phone book. So it works, everything works for our Q11. The last thing that we have to check is that whether we can answer and hear the call on the Q11 smartwatch. So let's try to call Cindy and we'll answer it here on our smartwatch. Okay, so someone is calling, so let's try to answer the call here. Hello, this is a Bluetooth call and with a volume adjustment for the call. Bye. Okay, so the sound is, or the speaker is okay and very responsive so far. I think it is just okay for the price. Not that loud compared to other smartwatches. As you can see, we do have a volume adjustment. You can mute the mic also. And I think it's okay for the Bluetooth call here. Regarding for the price, so very affordable. And of course, the Bluetooth call is okay for the wearable, despite the very cheap price for the Q11 smartwatch. Okay, so that's it for our demo for the Bluetooth call support of the Q11 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.